Welcome back to another video. So in this video we will discuss how to auto outline data in Excel. When your data is in a worksheet is extremely complicated. Sometimes it's difficult to group them manually. In this case we can group and summarize the data by creating an outline of rows and columns. In this tutorial, we will discuss a quick way to auto outline data in Excel. As you can see here in this sheet, I have sales report of each month. So I am going to create an outline for this data. Go to Data tab and click on Group, and now select the Auto Outline. Now click on minus button or the plus button to collapse or expand the groups of rows and columns. Also, you can click the outline number symbols to collapse or expand that entire level. The auto outline feature is so handy, but it has its limitations. To use it, please make sure there is no blank rows or columns in the data. This is the simple tutorial to easily outline your data. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.